Hello friends, how are you? Have a nice day. Now I will explain BODMAS. Already before 3 problems I explained. Today again 3 problems I will explain. BODMAS. Here extra is V. V for vinculum. B for bracket. In bracket 3 types are there. Small bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Next one half. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, now we will go to the first one. The question is 9 place curly bracket. Curly bracket, in this 6 plus 7 of 3 minus 9 plus 2 minus 6. 9 plus 2 there is bar. Minus 6 divide 2 and close the curly bracket. Then now find the first virculum. First virculum. Virculum means bar. Under the bar. First solving the under the bar. In bracket under the bar there is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. First in this again follow BODMAS. First division. Here first division symbol is there. So first this one do. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided with 2. How many times will come into table? 3 times. 2 3 ja 6. Next 9 plus 2 how much? 11. Then remaining same right as it is. 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus 9 plus 2 how much? 11 minus and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then close the curly bracket. Again 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus half means into. Half means multiplication. We can do multiplication. Instead keep the into symbol. 7 into 3 minus 8. Then close the curly bracket. Again 9 as it is plus 6 plus 7 into 3 how much? 21. 7 3s are 21. 6 plus 21 minus 8 and close the curly bracket. Then 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 21. Here plus symbol, here also plus symbol. Plus 6 plus 21. Both symbols are plus. So these two are add, then 27. 21 plus 6 27 minus 8. Close the bracket. Then 27 minus 8 19. Already there is 9. 9 plus 19 28. Okay. Next one is next problem. 16 minus bracket s minus curly bracket 6 plus 2 bracket small bracket 7 minus 8 minus 5 small bracket and curly bracket, close the curly bracket and square bracket. Now 16. Here what do first one? In bracket. In bracket what are they? 7 minus 8 minus 5. First addition, subtraction. Addition, there is no addition. Here subtraction only. One addition symbol is there. Plus 7 minus 8 minus 5. But don't do 7 minus 8. Don't do that like. Only minus symbol. Same symbol. Same sign symbols are add. 8 plus 5. Minus 8 minus 5. Minus 13. And 7 as it is. Then remaining 6 plus 2. Okay. Then before 5 minus. 5 minus curly bracket 6 plus 2. 7 minus 13 means 13 minus 7 6. There is big number sign is minus. So we keep it minus symbol. Again 6 plus 2 8 minus 6. 5 minus 8 minus 6. Then 8 minus 6 how much? 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Then before 16 is there. 16 minus 3, how much? 13. Next one is, we will go to the next problem. There is 360 divide 36, divide 6, divide 1, divide 5. There is all division symbols only. So how get it? Answer, first left to right do. Don't do right to left. Left to right. Now first these 360 divide 36. In 36, 10 times we will get an answer. 36 tens 360. 36 divided by 36. 360 divided by 36 is equal to 10. Next divide 6, divide 1, divide 5. Then 10 divided by 6 we cannot simplify. So 10 6 we cannot simplify. Correct simplify, not correct simplify. You can simplify but not correct, not divisible. Then 10 by 6 divide 1 means 1 by 1, 5 means 5 by 1. Denominator not there, we think that 1. So 5 by 1 here, 1 by 1. 10 by 6, we can instead in division symbol there is keep into symbol. 1 by 1, 10 by 6 into 1 by 1 means 1 multiply with any fraction, again we get the same answer. 10 by 6 into 1 by 1, 10 by 6. Then here division symbol is there, we can write the multiplication symbol and a fraction reciprocal. Write the reciprocal. 5 by 1 means 1 by 5. Reciprocal means numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So 5 by 1 is, you can write it 1 by 5. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Again there is 2, 2 3 ja 6. Then what are they remaining? 1 into 1, 1 1 ja 1, 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3, 1 by 3. So you remember this, anytime same symbols are given, you do from left to right. Understood? Don't do right to left. There is different answer, that is not a process. Understood? Okay, thank you.